In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive to sync and backup automatically in Windows 10. This process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time and effort in managing your files across devices. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, locate the OneDrive Cloud icon in your system tray. If you're not immediately familiar with it, you'll usually find this icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, nestled among the clock and other background applications. Once you've spotted it, right-click on the icon. This will bring up a short menu, and from there, you'll want to click on Settings. Opening the settings will launch a new window where we can make all the necessary adjustments to ensure OneDrive is working just the way you need. Pay special attention to the Settings tab, where many core configurations are managed. These configurations allow you to tailor the OneDrive experience to fit your specific needs. But today, we're focusing on the Sync and Backup tab. So, go ahead and click on that to continue. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Manage Backup. Give that a click. You've now arrived at the screen where you can choose which of your folders will be backed up to OneDrive. You'll notice there are toggle switches next to your folders. By simply toggling on the switches for the folders you want to be part of the backup routine, you can customize which data gets backed up. If you're looking for a more tailored setup, rather than a broad backup of all folders, this is the place to make those choices. Conversely, if you decide a certain folder no longer needs backing up, just toggle it off. This flexibility is incredibly useful for managing your storage space and ensuring you're focusing on what's most important to you. Once you've carefully selected the folders you want to back up, make sure you click Save Changes to confirm these settings. Doing so will apply your selections and initiate the backup process for the folders you chose. Take a moment to double-check everything looks right before moving on. Now, if there are specific folders on your computer that you want to sync with OneDrive without necessarily backing them up, you'll want to shift over to the Account tab where you'll see the option called Choose Folders. In this section, you can handpick the folders that OneDrive will sync across your devices without committing them to a full backup. Simply check or uncheck the folders you wish to sync. Once you've finalized your choices, click OK to save these settings. This step ensures that only your selected folders are synced, keeping everything organized and in sync across your devices. And there you have it. You've now quickly and efficiently set up OneDrive to automatically sync and back up your necessary files in Windows 10. This feature not only offers peace of mind knowing your files are safely backed up but also keeps your work seamlessly updated across your devices.